Video. In today's video I will show you how to display a web view inside a native iOS application using SwiftUI. So as of May 2024, Apple has not announced any web view equivalent for SwiftUI. That's why we have to use UI kit for this, and to achieve this we will be using UI view representable. So here you can see I'm able to display a web view inside a native iOS application. Next, what you will have to do, you will have to create a file called my web view, and you will have to extend it from UI view representables and override two methods, make UI view and update UI view, and it takes a URL inside its constructor. And here first we will have to initialize WK web view, then we will have to create a URL request from our URL and call the load method of web view to pass our request, and then just return our WK web view. And inside content view we can just initialize my web view, pass the URL whatever you prefer, and you can style it according to whatever you want. I have decided to occupy the entire width and height. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.